So you want your very first product on Amazon to be extremely successful in the Middle East, right? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about 3 untapped niches that you can focus on right now in order to launch your products successfully on Amazon. We did so much research for this video. Keep watching the video till the end because niche number 3 is certainly something that is unexpected. My name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society, and let's get to work. We've been helping Amazon sellers since 2019 make smart product choices to launch successfully on Amazon in the Middle East. Accompanying this video to make things much easier, because I'm gonna have so many different references, is a handy dandy downloadable PDF, which you will find in the description box of this video. While you are down there, make sure that you also click the subscribe button if this is valuable information that you want to get and learn and just consume on a weekly basis, and hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment in the comments section below. Let me know which one out of the 3 niches is your favorite. Now, data is very important. Let's look at a fantastic article from our friends at AMZ Scout, which highlights this serious traction in the region. In May of 2025 alone, there was a 27 million visits generated. We're talking about Amazon here, with nearly 770 million sales in 2024 alone. The purpose of this video is certainly to uncover unsaturated niches which new sellers can get into before they become too competitive. Let's start with niche number 1, fashion and beauty, focused on halal certified products and modest fashion. Yes, fashion is the largest e-commerce category in the UAE, capturing approximately 38 to 39% of e-commerce revenue. And the demand for beauty products, certain types of beauty products, as well as modest wear, is absolutely surging. Global search for these types of products has increasing 28.5% year on year. The global monthly search volume is between 3 to 30 million, and the local search volume is between 4,000 to 40,000 per month. PwC and Axio data show that Gen Zs, as well as millennials, are now more interested in transparency. That's why they're looking for products that are vegan, halal certified, all in all, clean beauty type of product. There's also a big surge with modest fashion, mostly searches for abayas, kaftans, hijabs, modest wear in general, which is appealing to the international as well as local population living in most countries in the Middle East. A great example of a brand absolutely killing it on Amazon everywhere is Zayn and Maiza, which is 100% vegan, no chemicals, halal certified, all of the good stuff. Very well-rounded, huge brand with makeup as well as skincare, addressing a certain type of customer for sure, a certain age range of customer for sure, and just doing extremely well. The products are mostly manufactured in Korea, which is also very much in demand nowadays, but the performance is incredible. An example of a successful modest fashion, well, it's not a particular brand, but it's the well-known brand Gymshark. They launched new modest workout clothings and hijabs in collaboration with a very well-known influencer called Liana Deeb. Liana has over 18 million followers online, and they decided to collab, and actually the brand launched this range in Dubai, in their store in Dubai Mall. A great article by Women's Health is showing, just wrote about what a historical move this is. However, why did Gymshark, billion-dollar brand, decide to do this? Because according to, they did a big survey or a study where 13,000 people responded that 84% of them find problems in finding modest clothing. Not everyone wants to wear tight clothing to the gym, as an example. And 78% resort to shopping in the men's section for better option, which is And a staggering 3 in 5 responded that they avoid the gym altogether just because they don't feel comfortable in what they're wearing. All in all, very exciting niche. On to niche number 2. You've probably guessed it, electronics. Electronics, tech gadgets, accessories make up around 20% of the e-commerce revenue in the UAE. There's an extremely high appetite for the latest tech gadgets among Middle Eastern consumers. And did you know that 67% of these consumers want to be the first to try out a new gadget, such as the latest iPhone? But let's look at the number. Global search growth of 32.2% year on year. Monthly search volume ranges between 2 million and 20 million. And in the UAE, the monthly search volume ranges from 22 to 220,000 searches per month. Huge numbers. There's no need for me to give you an example. The bestsellers list on Amazon is packed with the latest chargers, phone accessories, and tech gadgets that people can use on a daily basis to make their life so much better. Now, this is certainly a very competitive niche, so you need to make sure that you utilize tools like Helium 10 or our friends at AMZ Scout so that you can get valuable data and research and know whether or not you should launch the product and what are the pros and cons. By the way, if you're not using any seller tools, I highly suggest that you do, because data is key if you want to succeed. We'll leave because we do collaborate with Helium 10 as well as AMZ Scout, two fantastic tools. You'll find some discounts and offers from both of these partners in the description box of the video. Are you ready for niche number 3? I'm sure this is going to be unexpected. Gourmet foods, dates, honey, healthy food. You know, they say health is wealth. Yes, this is a surging category, specifically in the Middle East and in particular in the UAE. Let's look at the numbers. The global search volume is 22.3% year on year. Global monthly search is anywhere between 2 and 20 million. And UAE monthly search volume is anywhere between 20 and 200,000 searches per month. This is certainly fueled by the rise of online food shopping, either on platforms like Amazon or on fantastic applications like Talabat and a lot of applications that are available right now to consumers in the Middle East and are heavily used as well. And since food gifting is an integral part of our Middle Eastern culture, that's why there's also an increase in demand for specialty dates, specialty honey, my favorite, and a lot of snacks to enjoy year-round as well. According to a study by PwC, essentials like groceries are priority spend, with 61% of your household monthly income spend, and food subscriptions are also rising. So much more valuable information in our downloadable PDF file. Make sure that you download it for free. You'll find the link in the description box of this video. Leave me a comment. Which one is your favorite niche? And I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.